How to enable shopping and after sale on Rednote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to enable shopping and after sale on Rednote app. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the Rednote app on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner. Now simply tap on Settings and tap on Notification Settings. Now scroll down and toggle on the shopping and after sale option. After that, go back and at the profile section, tap on shop. Now here, connect your online store or add product listing manually and also choose payment option like credit cards, UPI or digital wallets. Now, to enable after sale service, simply again go to the profile and navigate to Orders option. There, you should activate features like returns, refunds, and customer queries. So finally, place a test order to check if the shopping and after-sale functions work smoothly. So this is how to enable shopping and after-sale on Rednote. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.